The third tech tool that I would like to discuss was posted already by Duke Tribal. He did a great job taking you through the login and getting things set up. I'm going to show a more finalized product and kind of discuss some of the tools and features that I like about Weebly.com. For those of you guys who don't know, Weebly is a website creator tool very similar to Google Sites. So once you get all logged in, I currently have a site for my cross-country team, and I'll take you through some of the editing features that is available. So once you get your site created, much like the new Google Sites, it's a very drag and drop way of creating a well-designed website. So seems like my computer's having a little bit of issues here. The sidebar here gives you the tools and structures that you can use to design the site. So when I talk about drag and drop site creation, it is as simple as if you want text to lay here, you can simply drag the text box over, drop it in, and then you can type anything you want in that text box. So a very powerful tool in regards to site creation. You can see here that I've added some links. I have discussed or added a Remind 101 code that I discussed in video 1. Made a nice little banner that was an image for my team. And then just a lot of helpful information. So I easily see this being utilized in a classroom to share specific announcements and then assignments, supplemental videos, etc. in regards to how you run your classroom. So I thought at first that it would be difficult to keep this up to date, but I have it bookmarked right here where it takes me straight to the site creation tool. And if I need to update an announcement, all I have to do is click in that text box and then hit publish. So once you get everything spaced out and organized like you'd want, all you have to do is click inside the text box, change whatever you have in there, and then you can publish the site. Other awesome features of Weebly, it does come with a blog. I've used the blog to display results for my cross-country team, and then parents, students, and anybody who has access to the link are able to come and comment it. And then it's archived by month and date, so you can go back and look at previous posts that have been made. You can embed documents really easily. So I've embedded a Google document containing our meet schedule, and all of that was utilized through these features over here where I just embedded the document. When I discussed using this as a supplemental tutorial for students, you could easily add YouTube videos and different elements and space them out really nicely. The different spacers that are available, you could use horizontal spacers, you can use various vertical spacers to get nice columns, and I definitely see this being utilized as a resource for classes as well as activities like I've done with this website. So I could easily see assignments being posted and well organized, much like you can do in a Google Classroom or a Google site, but just giving you more tools available to utilize this. The last feature that I'll share is the ease with which you can post hyperlinks but also upload information. So what you're able to do with Weebly is you can modify any text you want, and I could say something like October 27th, and then if I want to attach a file, all I have to do is highlight the text and then go to the attach. You could do URL, different web page, etc. But I think it's really nifty that you're able to upload files and documents straight to this web page with relative ease. And I don't know the exact file size that they offer, but I think it's a few gigabytes of space that you get with the free version. The only downside to Weebly is the URL address that you're given. So for users to access my site, they would have to go to pleasanthillxc.weebly.com. It still gives you a really fresh and nice look, and with tiny URLs and things like that, you would be able to get your students access to this without a complicated link. In order to own a domain such as pleasanthillxc.com, Weebly does charge $8 a month for the premium version. But like I said, I've had little to no issues with the free version, and my site traffic is relatively high with my parents and athletes, posting about 300 views per week and over 124 unique visitors. So I definitely see this as a tool and an alternative to Google Sites and Google Classroom that could be utilized for hosting classroom information, assignments, announcements, and really whatever your creativity and mind can take you to. So definitely worth checking out if you're interested or had the desire to implement some type of class website.